My internet's going kabooey. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to VLOGmas Day 18. Can you believe it? 18 days of vlogging so far. I interrupt these decorating videos to bring you this laundry folding vlog. So, I know there's a few vloggers out there who have lifestyle videos who do just this very thing. Sit here while I fold the laundry. However, the problem is that I like to snap my laundry. So let's see if you stay standing while I snap my laundry. That worked. I want to let you guys know what's happening for the next week. Day 18 means there's 1 week till Christmas. I don't exactly know what all will be happening as far as the vlog is concerned, as far as the YouTube channel is concerned, come Christmas, because there is going to be a lot of changes. We're not to the channel, don't get panicky or anything. It's just that Sharon is coming for a visit. Yay, Sharon! And I'm picking her up from the airport on Christmas Eve, and Aunt Sue is coming. I'm picking her up from St. Louis on Christmas Eve, and then getting Sharon from the airport. And what else? So I'm sure we're going to try to vlog that day, VLOGmas, for the Christmas vlog. And then I'm sure we'll vlog a little bit on Christmas. But I usually am very busy on the holidays because I'm cooking all the food, all the meals. We're opening all the presents. Isn't it weird, the juxtaposition between exhaustion and elation that happens at the holiday seasons? Like, my adrenaline's going, my endorphins are going because we're happy and it's the holiday season, but it's like trying to get it all done. It's like I work at the Gap. Trying to get it all done. Trying to make everybody happy, everybody have a happy holiday, trying not to stress out about it, stressing out about money. Money's always tight at the holidays, you know. We were very fortunate this year to have been given a lovely gift to, as you know, from Kathy Quick, to make our Christmas a little bit better. Plus a few others who want to remain anonymous. And one other one that I will share with you in the next couple of days. But I do still have a couple of DIYs that are last minute crafting ideas. Two of them are woodland, it doesn't have to be Christmas kind of things. Woodland decor. And actually the video that went up last night, I tried to say it in the video, but I know a lot of people just look at the thumbnail, which is hard. I made a DIY round farmhouse Christmas. It said Merry Christmas. It was like an ornament shape, but in all honesty, I was trying to say it in the video, that could be the basis. That doesn't have to be Christmas. It's got a gray and dark gray buffalo check round with cotton stems and burlap ribbon and ticking ribbon. It doesn't have to be Christmas. You really could make it say anything. Like you could put your family name on it, monogram, or your address, anything, anybody's having a housewarming. But of course, being Christmas time, I wanted to go ahead and put a little Christmas spin on it. And as a matter of fact, the inspiration piece that I saw on Pinterest from somebody's Etsy shop, which was $50, by the way. We didn't even talk about that in the vlog yesterday. Was just a Christmas thing. So I was like, okay, farmhouse Christmas. And then after I like edited the video and was, you know, getting ready to do my voiceover, I realized this so could transition if we didn't say Merry Christmas. If we say something like bless this house, or, you know, fresh from the farm, anything really, you think that could go on, that could make it more personal, that could make it transition throughout the year. Because other than knowing that it was a Christmas ornament dupe, you wouldn't have to know it was a Christmas ornament dupe. Does that make sense? If I didn't tell you it was a Christmas ornament dupe and I didn't have Merry Christmas written on it, you wouldn't know that it was from Christmas. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. And I told you when I was editing it that I was so unhappy with the printing that I'm this close to actually painting over it. And I think I might. I really am like, but I don't want it. I want to paint over it. Jimmy's so sweet. He's always like, no, it looks beautiful. Stop. He's so sweet. I mean, I don't even know. Oh, I hate to call him in here, but I'm having trouble with the internet. I was trying to put on a Netflix movie so I could fold laundry with you guys while we watched a Christmas movie, but my internet went kaplunky. And my kaplunky internet is now kaplunky stuck. So I'm frozen on the exiting video, on the exiting screen. Exiting the Netflix app. So I figured I'd chat. We could chat instead. I have a gift. Let's see. This is the video that went up at midnight tonight. Is the gift idea collaborations that I'm doing with Unicar, which is Carly. Carly is 7-year-old DIY guru. She is a unicorn crafty princess. I believe it's Unicar DIY Princess is her actual screen name. So if you're looking her up, I'll link her in the description box down below. She's just so sweet and reached out to me and said she would love to do a collaboration. And I, of course, was like, sure, of course, encourage the youth, encourage the creativity. So I believe the children are our future. So she wanted to do a Dollar Tree Christmas gift idea. She wanted to do a Dollar Tree Christmas gift idea. So we have that. We also have a few more DIYs coming. Some are redos of other YouTubers. Some are unique redos of Dollar Tree items. And then starting Saturday, I think, is just going to be cookie videos. As well as the vlogs, but I think it's just going to be cookie videos. I have four different cookie videos shot already that I'm going to share with you. So that will be coming up next week, and that'll lead us into Christmas, because I feel like there's not really any point in doing any more DIYs till Christmas. We'll do the Christmas gift ideas, and the videos that we have this week are the last DIYs that we'll have till Christmas. And then we're going to start on Valentine's Day. Believe it or not, it's time to start for Valentine's Day. Let's see. I am going to Texas. So I think I mentioned this before in a vlog, but so Sharon, who you may have met before, last spring we went to her house and she did a Mary Kay makeover on me. She showed me how to use this great, all the great skin products. She's a Mary Kay consultant. She lives in Florida. Her and I met when we were, well, technically, yeah, when we were 9. She was 9 still too. She's about 4 months older than me. She had started at my school. She moved from the next town over, and she was in 4th grade with me. She started, and she says that she remembers this chubby little blonde curly haired thing coming over to her and being like, "Hi, I'm Jeri-Ann. Do you want to be my friend?" And I won't say that I don't remember it. I do remember meeting her. I don't remember my exact words, but I will tell you something. If Sharon says that those are the exact words, those are the exact words. She has a memory like a steel trap. And we actually were just talking about that. She's got some great stories. She really needs to start writing them down. I feel like she has that, Mary Lou Henner has it, basically, where you always remember everything that happened to you. It's like a photographic memory for everything that ever happened to you, with you, like, you know, in your life. And she just has the most amazing, she tells you, you know, like, the most, like, specific details about an event that happened in her life growing up, and she always was able to do that. So I often wonder, but she is a fantastic poet. I know, guys, we haven't even talked about that. I'm sorry. She always wrote poetry when she was growing up. She wrote me a poem for my wedding, and she read it at my wedding. Let's see. We are then going to spend a couple of days here and visit St. Louis, and then we're going to road trip to see Lisa in Texas. And she's going to meet all the babies, because she's never met any of the babies. And she probably hasn't seen Lisa's kids since Lisa moved. See, Sharon moved to Florida first. And then Lisa and I road tripped with Evan. Thomas was born already. So I'm going to say, well, obviously if Sharon lived there, Thomas was born already. I'm going to say probably 2002, because Eric and Rebecca were not born yet. Let's see. Just got to get my clothes. So I think that's probably the last time. I'm going to have to say that's probably the last time. Well, that's not true. Lisa and Evan and I drove to Florida last spring break. So she got to see Evan again. But that's the last time that she probably saw any of Lisa's other kids was, you know, probably my wedding. Now that I think about it. Because whenever we would do stuff together, it was always just like girls' night, you know, and it wasn't really like getting the kids together or anything. So that being said, all of that being said, is I was super excited to get the Golden Girls back together again. Even in my phone contacts, we did a Facebook quiz. What's your old lady name? And Lisa is Myrtle, Sharon is Pearl, and I am Ethel. And I have them in my contacts as Myrtle and Pearl. So it's a lot easier to say, like, hey Siri, call Pearl, you know? Plus I have a lot of Sharons. Well, a few Sharons, not a lot. I have a few Sharons in there, so. Let's see. I am going to need Jim's help here in a minute, and I know that this vlog is getting to be about 15 minutes. So I feel like that we've touched everything. Oh, and then Sharon's going to take off from Houston back to Florida. And then I'm going to spend a couple of more days or a week or so in Texas, because Lisa will be off from work. She works at a school, and they're going to have the week off of New Year's. They're in Texas. They don't have winter recess, so she gets 2 weeks at Christmas time. So I'm going to spend some time there with them and then see the baby. And hopefully do all the things. So, yeah. I still have lots of things to do, but I'm trying not to stress out about it. Trying to plan my days out. I'm trying to make it so that I sleep. I'm trying to make it so that I eat and I still get in my exercise, because I don't want to lock up on anybody. I don't want to be in the car for 12 hours after I've been sedentary for 2 weeks. That's not something that's good. And I would never be able to be sedentary for 2 weeks. But you know what I'm saying? Like, I really want to make sure I keep my exercise up and get to on my way down to Texas. Like, I want to make sure that I keep my exercise up, I eat properly, and then I road trip with Sharon. It's going to be a lot of fun. And what else? Yeah. So that's it so far. Let's see. What am I thinking? What am I saying? What am I doing? Well, I guess that's it for Vlogmas Day 18. This was fun folding laundry with you. I'm not quite done, but I have to move you. Hold on. Let me move you. But it's been a long vlog. See, when he throws all the laundry, he throws all the laundry at me, I can't reach it because it's so much. But I'm going to call him in here in a few minutes. Anyway, he's got to go to bed. He's got to get up early tomorrow. He's got to work day shift, and then he's got to help me put all the stuff away. So Jim's job, Jim and I do laundry together. We always have. It's not since I've been working, he's been working, whatever. It's just always been a dual effort. For the most part, I separate. He washes and dries and hangs, and then I fold, and then jointly we put it together. It depends on where I'm folding it. Because if I fold it out in the living room, I'll transfer it back to the basket and then bring it in the bedroom. I could put it away. Otherwise, if I fold it in the bedroom like I'm doing today, I'm usually surrounded by a ton of clean clothes. So, that's not an option. So, he will put laundry away today, it looks like. But yeah, this is the one job we do. I mean, we do a lot of jobs together, but mostly I do the dishwasher. Mom helps after dinner sometimes. If I've cooked a big meal, she'll clean up after dinner. She always offers, but sometimes it's not a lot, and it's just easier to do it myself. She has delicate hands, so she wears like gloves and gets all of her equipment out. For me, it's just like zip, 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 and I'm done. Now I'm tired, and my TV's frozen, and I hate to bother him, but I really need to. So I'm gonna say goodnight. Thank you for sticking around. I mean, we still have a little bit left to do, but for most part I got everything folded. So, and then matching socks. It's one of the great things about wearing uniform socks, where you get like 27 pairs of black socks. It's easy to match that way. All right, everybody, you take care. God bless. And we'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 19. Bye.